Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can deal with a very time-consuming task in Excel. That is to merge all these files together, to place all the data in these files into one single workbook, into one single worksheet. So the first thing you can do is that have a look at the first file, so you can have a look at the structure of the file. You can see here we have the first row as a header, and we have from A to U is the columns, and this file has about 1,000 rows, and the second file has the same structure. Of course, 20 files always have the same structure, and you have here a master data. What you can do now is just click on this button and you can choose from 1 to 20. So when choosing 1 to 20, you hold down Shift on your keyboard, press on the first file and select the last files. So you can click open now, so the macro will run and it will finish in no time. So that's it. You have all 25 consolidated nicely in just one table. So what is under the hood is this one, this VBA code over here. You can download all the test data and the VBA code in the description of the video. Thank you for listening and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.